Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rufika Fiatun. I'm from 12 Science 1. So for completing my English task, I will show to you how to make dress from the cardboard. So let's get started.
Let me show you love. I know pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh,
So
don't
first
you
prepare material and tools such as
I'll be
cardboard,
back whenever.
color HPS,
I
scissors,
need somebody who
glue
can love
gun,
me at my
paper
best.
tape,
No, I'm
glue,
not perfect, but
wrapping
I hope you
paper,
see my
and
worth.
skewers.
'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you
So first tape make the cardboard into a
For
pentagon
you,
shape
girl,
with
I
a
swear
size
I'd
list
do the world.
5 cm, 11 cm, and 16 cm, and then cut the cardboard into two rectangles with a size 10 cm and 11 cm, and then cut the cardboard into two squares with a size 10.5 cm, and last cut the cardboard into size
I can feel those places
13
in your heart,
cm.
no one else can.
And the second
Let me show
step,
you
glue each cardboard with
love.
wrapping
I know
paper and do
pretend.
it on all
I'll be
cardboard
right here,
pieces without
baby. You know
exception.
I should
And the
do
size
most
of the
it.
wrapping paper is
Oh,
adjusted to the cardboard pieces.
don't you worry.
So I
I'll
will
be
speed up this
back
video and you can see
whenever.
this tutorial step by step
I
in
need
this video.
somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I'd do the worst. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you
The
first.
next step, arrange
And
each
for
piece of
you, girl,
cardboard
I
starting
swear I'd
from
do the
hexagon,
worst.
rectangle, and repeat again. And glue each cardboard with paper tape like this video. And then glue the cardboard with color HVS. First pentagon, and you can follow step by step like this tutorial, and you have to glue all of the cardboard with the color HVS.
Every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you
Then
gotta do
glue the
is
end
leave
of the
it better
cardboard
than
and
you
connect it
found
to
it.
the other
It's
side.
gonna get
If it's done,
difficult to stand,
our
but
dress
hold your
can is half
balance. I
finished.
just say
Then from
whatever,
the
cause there
13
is no way
cm and 9
around it.
cm cardboard, we
Everyone
will make the base
falls
of the
down
dress. And
sometimes,
to
but you just
make
gotta
our
know
dress more
it'll all
beautiful, we
be
will
fine.
paste
It's
with
okay.
the HPS color.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good.
And then stick the
Like I
piece of
should.
paper to the base
Bending
and glue
purple
it
all
using
around
hot
the
glue.
neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay.
Next to the process of making the cover of dress, we prepare the skewers and cut according to the size of the top of dress. Then we fold the rest of the square cardboard in half and put it on the skewer. And our dress from the cardboard has finished.
Got that sunshine